Hello, it's Fairy. Today we will learn about our sun. Means how our sun formed. Let's learn.
There are billions of stars in our galaxy.
Great glorious sun holds a special place in our life
Because its gravity keeps the solar system together, holding everything from the biggest planet to the smallest particle.
of debris in its orbit. Not only that,
Connection between sun and earth drive the seasons, ocean currents, weather, radiation belts, and auroras.
but the vital question is, how did our sun came into existence? It all starts 4.5 billion years ago. The sun was formed by a giant rotating cloud of gas and dust called a solar nebula. As the nebula collapsed because of its overwhelming gravity, lot of small particles get into it. It spun faster and flattened into a disk. The particles were joined and become protostar. Their temperature became higher and higher. Then it became a sun. Now, friends, you know how our sun was formed. So you want to know more about sun, then subscribe to our channel.